Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get or claim a free visa card, US visa card, for free. So first of all, what you need to do is, we are going to use Gray. So if you are new or you already have your Gray account, you just open your Gray, and if you are not a user, you come to Play Store or Apple Store. It's all available there, and search for this app called Gray. You install and verify your account. Verification is instant. So once you verify and you open the app, so I'm not just going to open here. I think we have the app right here. So you open your app. So once you open here, and you can see the account that you'll be given, but we are not focusing on that. Now here in your card, you tap on card and it will bring out some options for you to accept, and after you accept all that, so you can see this activate your free virtual card, and you tap on activate. So after the activate, you tap on, you can see right here, you can see right here, sorry, you can see right here, create for $0. So you tap on it, and yes, you have just created your account. So we tap on agree and agree with the terms and condition. Tap on agree, oh sorry, agree, and continue. And got it, sorry, and it will just, sorry guys, my network. All right, so and you can see our card have been created. So here you just create a pin. All right, so as you can see now, if you tap on these details, you can see your, if you tap on this detail, you can see your card details, and you can also freeze the account, freeze the card, sorry, not the account. You can freeze the card if you don't want transactions to be working or activating anymore. You can freeze the card, and you can also get another card. This is just similar thing I did of last year. I think last year was MasterCard, and this year was Visa. And you can see if you want to freeze it, you freeze the account. So also you can use Gray for a lot of other things. And this is it on how to get your free Visa card. And mind you, the promo is just currently on just for today, and it's ending within the next 13 hours. It will end, so you grab it fast.